I've seen a lot of people rush to the cheapest countertop ice makers because the price looks good on paper, only to end up with a machine that chugs for hours, spits out tiny nuggets that melt in seconds, or leaks water onto the counter. The regret you feel when you open that tiny bin and realize you've spent a weekend troubleshooting is real, and it makes you wonder whether splurging a bit more on a commercial-grade unit could actually be the smarter move. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. The VEVOR commercial ice maker is positioned as an 800-pound-per-day beast with a 300-pound stainless steel storage bin, a touchscreen interface, and an auto self-clean cycle. At first glance those numbers can feel intimidating, but the real question is, does that capacity translate into everyday value for a bar, CAF, or small catering operation, and does it avoid the pitfalls that cheap units fall into? Let's start with the environment it's built for. In a busy coffee shop, you might be pulling a shot and a latte every few minutes, and the barista needs a steady stream of ice for iced coffees, smoothies, and the occasional cocktail. A 24-hour output of 800 pounds means you can theoretically fill that 300 pounds bin in under 10 hours, giving you a full night's worth of ice before the morning rush. That's a huge advantage compared to a home-type maker that tops out at 20 to 30 pounds a day. For a place that serves a steady volume of cold drinks, the VEVOR can keep the ice flowing without you having to schedule a refill every few hours. However, that capacity also introduces a hidden trade-off: space and water demand. The unit sits on a sturdy steel frame that measures roughly the size of a small refrigerator, so you need a dedicated spot near a water line and a drain. If you're trying to squeeze it into a cramped back-of-house area, you'll quickly discover you've sacrificed storage or prep space. The water intake is also a point where many first-time commercial buyers stumble. You'll need a reliable supply of clean water, and the machine doesn't have a built-in water softener. In areas with hard water, mineral buildup can reduce efficiency and increase the frequency of the self-cleaning cycle, which, while automated, still consumes time and a bit of electricity. Speaking of cleaning, the auto self-clean claim is more than a buzzword. The touchscreen lets you schedule a cleaning run at a low traffic time, and the system circulates a mild sanitizing solution through the ice-making chamber. In practice, that means you can set it to run overnight when you're closed, and wake up to fresh, sanitized ice without having to manually scrub the internal parts. For a business that can't afford a technician on call, that ease of maintenance is a genuine time saver. That said, the cleaning solution isn't included, so you'll need to buy a compatible sanitizer, and the process does use a few extra gallons of water each cycle. If your operation is already tight on water costs, that's something to factor in. Now, let's talk about the ice itself. The VEVOR produces clear, cube-shaped ice that's ideal for both drinks and food presentation. The cubes are big enough to chill a cocktail without diluting it too quickly, yet not so massive that they're hard to fit into a standard tumbler. In a real-world test at a small restaurant, the ice held its shape for about 20 minutes in a mixed drink, which is noticeably longer than the flake-type ice from cheaper units that turn to slush in half that time. For a venue that prides itself on cocktail quality, that extra chill time can be a subtle but important differentiator. On the downside, the machine's fast ice-making claim is relative. It can produce roughly 33 pounds of ice per hour, which is impressive for a commercial unit, but if you're running a high-volume bar during a Saturday night rush, you may still see the bin fill up faster than the machine can replenish it. In those moments, you'll need to either run a second unit or have a backup plan for a quick ice purchase. The VEVOR doesn't have a built-in ice crusher, so if your menu calls for crushed ice, you'll need a separate crusher or a manual method, adding another piece of equipment to your inventory. Who should consider this machine? If you run a CAF that sells iced coffees daily, a bar that offers a decent selection of cocktails, or a small catering service that needs to keep trays of ice on hand for events, the VEVOR's capacity and automated cleaning make it a solid investment. The fact that it can run continuously for a full day without a refill means you're less likely to run out of ice during a busy shift, and the touchscreen makes setting production schedules intuitive even for staff who aren't technically inclined. Who might skip it? If you're a home bartender, a hobbyist who only makes a few drinks a week, or a food truck with limited space and no easy access to a water line. The size, power draw, and installation requirements.